Variable machine activity. I think of that as that little Rolodex type problem. You made the variable machine. You did what your name was worth. And if you assign A with a certain number, like a secret code. And then we did a map problem. We did shapes. And we did the geometry problem. So from that, these three uses of variables, you have to know this. Be able to identify how a variable is being used in a problem. From those problems we did, I'm going to just start a new page and write variables. I'll go back to the document camera here. So, three uses of variables. So variables used in a formula. They're in no particular order. It's not like I would rank these and say one is better than the other. That was our, but used in a formula, that was our geometry problem, where we cut out the graph paper and taped it down and did the triangles and stuff like that. So variables used in a formula, and then variables used as a specific value. What was that one?
That's the one with the map activity.
The map activity.
And that's the dog and boy one I have in mind.
That was the boy and dog problem. And then we had change value. The variables that vary. And that would be something like triangle plus circle equals 7 or something like that. That's what we call the shape problem, because we put counters in the circle and put the rest in the triangle. Yes?
We're not having any of those map questions, are we? Like the day that we had the map?
Oh, you might. Yeah, you
Can
might.
you go over one of those real quick?
Well, what it would be is you'd be given maybe a portion of a map and asked to write a problem, and then say what does that, what use of variables was in that problem? Yes.
Like we didn't write much down while we were doing the map activity.
Okay.
We said things out loud, so we don't really know what you're asking for.
We talked about the map.
Right.
We talked about some of the features of a map,
Right.
and then you wrote a problem.
We created.
Yeah, we created problems. There's a couple of problems in your notes that I wrote together.
You picked it up. Yeah.
Yeah, I picked that up, but you should have the ones we wrote. The one going from Baton Rouge to Lake Charles to Shreveport.
That was the bad problem.
That was the bad problem. That was the bad problem. Yes.
I was gonna ask, are you gonna give us like a problem when we make a word problem?
Possibly.
That was the worst.
Possibly.
That's the worst thing.
Okay, maybe. All right. Now remember, the people taking the test Thursday are going to take a different test.
Right.
So, but we'll try to make the test the same level of difficulty. So that's fair game. But a map problem is kind of hard to put on the test, but it's been put on the test before. Yes.
So you're just saying that we might have to identify which form of variables we're using and to just solve the problem.
And maybe both.
Yeah.
Yeah. Certainly be able to identify the.
Because with the maps, all you did was you said distance, and then you plugged it in. You just said what you were using each variable for, and then you just solved it.
You solved it, and that was a specific value.
That's just specific value.
A specific value. Yes. Okay.
We had to figure out what variables using like distance or.
Yeah, you just say.
And what's-
Equals distance, this is distance.
And is
then
it
you plug it in.
varying or is it specific? Is it used in a formula?
Yeah.
Stuff like that. Yes.
This may be jumping ahead, but the next thing that we did, the shapes. is
Yes.
that the same thing, because we
As
plugged in the numbers.
changing
and then-
variables. Yeah.
That could be specific value.
Yeah, the specific.
That's
value.
specific value. Although it is moving on to systems of equations.
Okay.